Watch what we are about to create with this tutorial.
Hey, beautiful ladies. Welcome to Lily Beauty Salon, where your hair dreams come to life and your nails get that perfect glow. We believe every woman deserves to feel absolutely stunning. That's why we offer only the highest quality hairs. Our hairs are silky smooth, vibrant, and ready to transform your look. And our wigs? Honey, they're crafted to perfection. Your hands deserve love too. Our nail technicians are here to pamper your nails with the latest styles. At Lily Beauty Salon, it's more than just hair and nails. It's about feeling confident, radiant, and undeniably you. So what are you waiting for? Come on down and let us help you unleash your inner goddess.
This tutorial is straight to the point. No long talk, no confusion. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making sure it's super easy for you to follow. And yes, I'll also reveal my personal trick for solving some of the common problems you might face while trying to create this kind of AI video. But here's the catch. If you don't watch this video from start to finish, don't expect your final result to come out perfect. So stay with me till the end. Let's dive in. First, click the link in the video description to head over to the Flow website. Once you're there, click Create with Flow, and then choose Create New Project to begin. After your new project is ready, go down to the text box and click on it. That's where you'll enter your prompt. But hold on, before you type anything, you need to understand how to write a proper, detailed prompt. That's the only way to get stunning results like the intro you just saw. Now, you may be thinking, how do I come up with the right kind of prompt for a great video? Don't worry, I've got you. I'm going to show you exactly how to craft a powerful, beginner-friendly prompt that gets amazing results, even if you've never done this before. To build a detailed and effective prompt for VEO3, there are two methods you can use. The first method, try to write the prompt from scratch, using your imagination. But let's be real, that's not easy for most people. That's why I recommend the second method. It's faster, smarter, and honestly, way better. Just use AI to write your prompt. Yes, it's that simple. Let's get into it. Here's a sample of a well-written prompt created using AI for a beauty salon business. You can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini for this part. In this tutorial, I'll be using Google Gemini. So head over to ChatGPT or Google Gemini and type in exactly what kind of video you want to create. For example, you can say, I want to create a brief advertisement video for a brand called Lily Beauty Salon. They sell human hairs, wigs, and fixed nails. The lady speaking should be in the hair shop. I want to create this video with Google's VEO3. Please provide me a detailed prompt to use and what the lady should say. Remember, she is African American. There should be a consistent cloth, facial, and complexion pattern for the lady speaking. The prompt should have video style, location, characters, main character and background character, camera shots, mood and tone, key visuals, and background music. So that's the exact description I used to tell the AI what kind of video I wanted to make. Before you rush off to create yours, pause and do one important thing. Visualize what you want. What is your video about? What kind of brand are you showcasing? Once that's clear in your mind, it becomes easier for the AI to help you create something amazing. Now, type your description into the text box and hit send. Once you do that, you'll get a reply from either Google Gemini or ChatGPT, whichever one you're using. Here's where things get serious. This next step is crucial, so pay close attention. We've received our response from Google Gemini. What you need to do now is read through the entire prompt carefully. We're going to copy the part labeled VEO3 prompt for Lily Beauty Salon AD. But stop where the actual script begins. That script is what the AI wants your character to say, and we'll handle that shortly. So just copy everything before the script begins. Now open up a Word document or Google Docs, anything that works for you, and paste the prompt there. Let's break the prompt down together so you fully understand what's inside and how it helps the AI create magic. Video style. For this video, the style is engaging, professional, vibrant, and welcoming. It focuses on high-quality production with good lighting, showcasing the beauty products clearly. If you noticed how bright and professional the sample video looked, this is why. Location. This tells the AI where the video is set. For our example, we are talking about a modern, well-lit, and tastefully decorated hair salon. Think clean lines, comfortable seating, shelves displaying various human hair bundles and wigs, and a dedicated nail station visible in the background. It should have our branding for Lily Beauty's salon should be visible. Character. The prompt describes a friendly, well-groomed African-American woman in her late 20s to early 30s. She has a warm, confident, and approachable demeanor with a bright smile. You can see that I also add what kind of outfit she should wear. And trust me, that small detail makes a big difference. I'll explain why later in the video, so stay with me. Camera shots. This includes opening shot, mid shot, and closing shot, all automatically suggested by the AI. That's something most people struggle to figure out on their own. Mood and tone. Based on our description, the AI chosen friendly, confident, trustworthy, empowering, elegant, and aspirational. The overall feeling should be one of quality, beauty, and approachability. Key visuals. These include pristine human hair bundles, various colors, textures. It helps the AI bring in details that make your video pop visually. Background music. The AI also suggests a fitting soundtrack, so your video isn't just visual, it's also emotionally engaging. Cool, right? Now that we understand what the AI gave us, it's time to add what the character will say. Go back to Google Gemini and scroll down to the script section. Copy the dialogue the AI generated for the lady, the one working at Lily Beauty Salon. Paste this into your Word document or wherever you're keeping your content. You can easily edit this script to add your brand voice, make small tweaks, or customize the tone to suit your audience. Now, let's plug that into our video generator. Copy the first prompt and paste it into the box in Google Flow. Now, take the first paragraph from the dialogue script, just a short section, since VEO3 currently generates up to 8 seconds of video per scene. Scroll back up to your prompt. Locate the section where your main character is described. Right after that character description, we're going to insert what the character says. Type, she says, then open a quotation mark and paste in the line you copied from your script. Perfect. Do not include the full dialogue script yet. We'll add those parts scene by scene. Now, click on Settings. Inside Settings, choose your AI model. You'll see 4 options, but for our project, we're picking from just 2. VEO3 Fast, text to video. VEO3 Quality, with audio and voiceover. Here's the catch. VEO3 Quality gives better results, but it uses 100 credit points. If you're trying to save credits, go with VEO3 Fast. That's what I'm using for this tutorial. Make sure text to video is selected, scroll down, and click on Generate. At this point, you're probably realizing that what I'm teaching you for free is what some people are charging for. So do me a small favor. Like this video and drop a comment saying, "Create more of this video" if you want more free tutorials like this. Now, before we check out the video we just created, let me give you a heads up. There's a common issue most beginners face: character inconsistency in different scenes. You might notice your character doesn't look the same in the next scene. Don't panic. I'll show you how to fix that very soon. But first, let's preview the video we just made.
Hey, beautiful ladies. Welcome to Lily Beauty Salon, where your hair dreams come to life and your nails get that perfect glow. Hey, beautiful ladies.
Looks amazing, right? So clean, realistic, and professional. That's your first scene. Now, we're ready to move on to scene 2. Go back to your script and copy the next line. Remember, keep it short, about 8 seconds worth of dialogue. Then return to your first video project in Flow and click on Reuse Prompt. Find the part of the prompt where your character speaks. Replace that old line with the new line from scene 2. And just like before, that's the only section you need to update. Repeat this step for each scene until your full script is complete. Then click Send to generate your next video clip. We're not done yet. There's still one last step, and that's joining your video clips together into a single, complete video. I'll reveal my secret for doing that in just a minute. But first, let's preview our second video scene.
We believe every woman deserves to feel absolutely stunning. That's why we offer only the highest quality hairs. We believe every
Amazing. You can see how realistic it looks and how smooth the transition feels. Just a reminder, you must have a paid plan to access VEO3. But don't worry, keep an eye on this channel. I will make a tutorial showing how you can get VEO3 access free for 15 months. Now, keep building your video one scene at a time until you've completed your full script. Once done, here comes the final move. Use CapCut to join all your scenes together into one seamless, powerful video. Open CapCut and start a new project. It gives you a blank editing space where you can bring everything together. Simply drag and drop all your clips into the timeline in the correct order. You'll see them line up like puzzle pieces, ready to become a full video. Now play through each scene. You might notice a bit of delay at the start or end of a clip. Just trim those parts out to keep things flowing naturally. If you want to make the transition between one scene and the next feel softer, you can add a fade or slide effect. It's optional, but it adds a professional touch. If your scenes didn't come with audio, or you want to replace it, this is the time to upload your background music or voiceover. Just drag it below your video clips and adjust the volume so it blends well. You can even use CapCut's built-in music or sound effects to bring your video to life. Now, if you'd like to add a little more personality, maybe your brand name, a logo, or a quick message like, "Watch till the end," CapCut makes that easy too. Just click on the text option, type in your message, choose your font and color, and place it anywhere on the screen. You can also upload your logo and place it in a corner so it stays visible from start to finish. Once everything looks just right, hit the export button. Choose your resolution. 1080p is usually perfect, and CapCut will render your full video into one polished file. And just like that, all your hard work, each scene, each line of dialogue, every visual, is now one powerful video, ready to be shared with the world. What do you think about this tutorial? Do not forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.
Hey, beautiful ladies. Welcome to Lily Beauty Salon, where your hair dreams come to life and your nails get that perfect glow. We believe every woman deserves to feel absolutely stunning. That's why we offer only the highest quality hairs. Our hairs are silky smooth, vibrant, and ready to transform your look. And our wigs? Honey, they're crafted to perfection. Your hands deserve love too. Our nail technicians are here to pamper your nails with the latest styles. At Lily Beauty Salon, it's more than just hair and nails. It's about feeling confident, radiant, and undeniably you. So what are you waiting for? Come on down and let us help you unleash your inner goddess.